Welcome in, everybody. Before we get into this morning's update, I want to go over a quick overview of what's transpired overnight. First, as we know, we had the Fed come out yesterday and they kept interest rates the same, so they did not have a rate hike or a rate cut. And crypto initially dumped down. Bitcoin's found its way back over 42,000 and XRP's back up over 50 cents. XRP went down to about 48.5 cents last night, and now it's finding itself on the right side of town here. And we'll see if we continue this push up, as the relative strength index has pushed down quite a bit. And we'll take a look as we go over the technical analysis, exactly what that means for us today. We'll take a look at XRP very in depth, and then I'll take a little look at Bitcoin as well to see exactly where that's looking at as far as the relative strength index goes, and so on. Please make sure if you're watching this to hit that like button, as it will help push this content. We've been struggling as of late, as the crypto community has, so we're going to continue to be transparent, continue to be diligent here, even though things are not going our way, so to say. We still need to be very, very vigilant. We can't play the victim. We must play the winner here and stay positive, because we must see all of the information from a chart perspective and a news perspective to make an educated and informed decision. So I am very diligent in being here even when things aren't going so great, because I believe there is a lot of opportunity to be had when you find these lower moments. So please make sure to hit that like button. I'll catch you on the other side of the intro. Good morning, 10:28 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Thursday, February 1st, 2024. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So as we can see on this Thursday morning, XRP sitting at the 50 cent level, just about the 501 level, down 0.32%. We've had a little bit of a comeback rally here, as XRP at its low over the past 24 hours. We made a run down to 486, then we bounced back up to 514. Then immediately after Jerome Powell spoke last night, XRP ended up coming as low as 489 again. Now we look to be bouncing off of the descending triangle support, and we do have a lot of run room here now. 4 hourly was in the oversold before this reversal candle. 3 hourly, it was the same before it reversed. So there is a chance that now we can reverse back up, and it's possible we come all the way to 57 cents here. I still think before it drops to 44, if it does, to that rising channel support from June of 2022, you're going to have some kind of momentum from the upside to drop it back down. So it would make perfect sense to fill out this descending triangle. As we can see right now, to verify this type of a pattern, you want 3 hits on each side of resistance and support, and it helps validate it. So we have resistance 1, support 1, resistance 2, support 2, back to support 3. Can it come to resistance 3 now? I mean, logically speaking, if this plays out true, we should be seeing a return rally somewhere around 57 cents. And then if we were to get rejected there, that could help bring us down to 44. So from here to here, that's like a 15% move if it decides to take that route. I'm not saying that that's 100% guaranteed, but what I am saying, let's go into Casper real quick. This is another one that I've been very fascinated with, because it has this falling channel, but it did the same thing. It's repeated. It's come down. It cleared out. And now are these going to take a layer up? Or are we going to take a layer down? And there's only so many that I can look at that are kind of pretty consistent with XRP in the rotation. But if they are, this would be the time. Like the 2 hourly, you can see these W's being reversed. So we'll see. If you're watching Casper right now, the big resistance is at 358. And if it gets above that, well, we could be in business. So as far as XRP goes, it's the same story here. It looks like a W reversal is formed here in the 2 hourly. Looks like it's putting in that right arm now of the W to where it can pull up. We'll see though. We'll see, because it's bouncing off of support. There is a lot of room to come up. I would not be surprised if it needs to get smacked at 534, even if it's bearish, because there is a lot of resistance here. I mean, a lot of room in the relative strength index. From a daily perspective, we can see we were heading towards oversold. This is an ideal spot for a W reversal if it's going to happen. If it breaks down 44 cents is on that, is next. if this were to break down, that would be the technical move, would be to the rising channel support. And then if we look at Bitcoin here, Bitcoin's at 42,868. It's up 321 points or 0.75%. That doesn't even tell the story. Doesn't tell the story. If you go into the 2 hourly, we can see that Bitcoin's bounced off of the 200-day here. We came down as low as 41,870 approximately. And Bitcoin now, if it wants to have a little bit of a bullish tug here, it definitely could. This is the thing. Bitcoin, I've said it since yesterday, or even more than yesterday, but I reiterated it yesterday. Even with this drop down, as long as we pull back up and we start playing that bull flag area, I still think it could come up to 44,000 even if we're bearish. So we're going to see exactly what they have in store for us today. But today's going to be a tricky day. Almost the end of the trading week, with the futures market tomorrow closing, after the market closes tomorrow. I can see a lot of volatility here, and it seems like now, when everybody, like I said with the shorts, everybody was going short, and once we hit that 484 area, 49 cents, I thought it could reverse and push back up to the top of that descending triangle. And I think that's what's starting to happen. Now, if we break this descending triangle, we know the next area, but it would not surprise me to have a quick, sudden return rally. It really wouldn't. Like, why else come down here? The shorts are getting excited. And then even at minimum, if it comes back to like that 534 area, that could still be an 8% move all the way up to 15, 16%. So that would be an excellent way to get rid of the shorts, get some topside liquidity if it decides to do that within the market. But that's what I'm kind of leaning towards today. I'm XRP Future Millionaire. If you got anything out of this update, please don't hesitate to hit that like button. It helps more than anybody could ever imagine. And share this on social media, as this is a very trying time for crypto. So I do appreciate your continued support and viewership. If you want to show me personal support, you can always send a YouTube super chat or join Tom's Arm. Been lacking in both very, 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 very highly in 2024, I should say. And then if you're looking to trade XRP, your favorite crypto, that's in the video description below. You can leverage trade or spot trade, especially XRP. A couple different exchanges that give you the cheapest value or spot fees. Other than that, have a blessed morning. Don't let your emotions control you, and pay attention to this hour by hour today, because there is a chance of a nice hefty reversal here now that we've dumped down.